at Mount Panorama, so very lucky.
The Bathurst Trophy incoming now, as you can see, on board with Hayden Pullen, who is the pilot, delivering the Peter Brock Trophy. It's made the journey from Penrite Racing to Sandown up to Queensland, and now it has landed back here in its spiritual home of Bathurst. Our pilot Hayden has been flying for 25 years. The plane is extra purpose-built aerobatic aircraft with a custom performance engine, making it the fastest plane of its type in Australia and possibly the world. So that's pretty fitting, isn't it, to deliver the Peter Brock Trophy here on the mountain today. And it's going to make